Hello students, let us exercise 12.2 with the example. Now we discuss example of this exercise. We have already discussed all questions of exercise 12.2. Kamala has a triangular field with 240 meter, 200 meter, 360 meter, where she grew wheat. In another triangular field with side 240 meter, 320 meter, 400 meter, adjacent to the previous field, she wanted to grow potatoes and onions. She divided the field in two parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side to the opposite vertex and grew potato in one part and onion in the other part. How much area in hectare have been used for wheat, potato and onion? This is your beautiful diagram of field. Given A, B, C is a triangle, this area represent wheat crop and side of this triangle 200 meter, 240 meter, 360 meter and triangle ACD longest side is 400 and opposite vertex of this side is C. So join this point, we get to triangle AEC and EDC. Clearly EC is a median of triangle ACD. So median of a triangle divide the triangle into two triangles of equal area. So area of triangle AEC is equal to area of triangle ECD. And now let this area represent onion crop and this area represent potato crop. Now triangle ABC be a wheat field and triangle ACD be a wheat of onion and potato. E is the midpoint of AD. In triangle ACD, median EC divide this triangle in two triangles of equal areas. This is very most important statement. Median EC divide triangle ACD in two triangles of equal areas. Again repeat, this is your triangle ACD and EC is a median. EC is a median, divide triangle ACD in two triangles of equal area. So we write area ACD upon 2 equal to area AEC is equal to area of triangle ECD. Now in triangle ABC, A equal to 200 meter, B equal to 240 meter, C equal to 360 meter. Semi perimeter A plus B plus C upon 2. 200 plus 240 plus 360 upon 2. And their sum is 800 upon 2, that is 400 meter. By Heron's formula and we get area of triangle ABC root S bracket S minus A bracket S minus B bracket S minus C. S is 400 bracket 400 minus 200, value of A is 200. Next bracket 400 minus 240, value of B is 240. Next bracket S minus C, value of S is 400 minus value of C is 360. Now 400 as it is, 400 minus 200, 200, 400 minus 240, 160. Multiply 400 minus 360, 40. Now 200 can be write 2 multiply 200, 200 as it is. 160 can be write 4 into 40. 4 into 40 means 160. 40 as it is. Now collect equal pairs. 2 4 can be write 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 40 multiply 40. 200 multiply 200. Here 2 form a pair. 40 also form a pair. And 200 also form a pair. This 2 does not form a pair. So root of this pair is 2. Root of this pair is 40. Root of this pair is 200. Remaining number is 2. So we can write root 2. 2 4 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 16. Number of 0. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 16,000 root 3 meter square. 16,000 root 3 root 2, sorry, 16,000 root 2 meter square. Now this area change in hectare. So we divide 10,000. 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. 30 cancel out. 16 upon 10 can be write 1.6. 1.6 multiply 1.414 hectares approx. Area for growing wheat is equal to number of decimal place 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 2.2624 hectares nearly. Now next triangle is ACD. Again repeat. Area of growing wheat is 2.2624 hectare. Next triangle ACD. A equal to 240 meter, B equal to 320 meter, C equal to 400 meter. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2 and their sum is 960 upon 2 and their calculation is 480 meter. Area of triangle ACD. This is your hero's formula. Now put the value of S is 480. 480. Value of A is 240 minus 240. Value of S is 480. Value of B is 320. Value of S is 480. Value of C is 400. 480 multiply 480 minus 240. 240 multiply 480 minus 320. 160 multiply 480 minus 480. Now 480 can be write 2 multiply 240. 240 as it is. Again repeat. 2 multiply 240. This is 480. 240 as it is. Now 160 can be write 2 into 80. 2 into 80. 2 into 80. And 80 as it is. Now collect equal term. 2 into 2. 80 into 80. 240 into 240. Clearly all 2 form a pair, 80 also form a pair, 240 also form a pair. So root of this pair 2 into 80 into 240 meter square. 2 8 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, carry 6, 16 2 ja 32 plus 6 38. Number of 0 1 2. So we take 2 0. That is 38,400 meter square. Now change this area in hectare. So we divided by 10,000 and 20 cancel out. 384 upon 100 hectares. That is 3.84 hectares. Triangle ACD represent the area of onion and potato. And area of onion and potato equal. So we divide area of triangle ACD by 2. We get 1.92 hectares. Hence area of growing onion is equal to area of growing potato is equal to 1.92 hectares. And area of growing wheat crop is 2.2624 hectares. Thank you.